Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can reset your Snapchat password. So in order to do this, all you need to do is open Snapchat and then go in the top left corner of your screen clicking on your Bitmoji. Then what you're going to do is you're going to the top right corner of your screen and clicking on settings right here. Then what you're going to do is you're going to go over to password. And here you can either change your password using your old password. However, if you forgot your password, then simply click right here on forgot password. And you can either choose it via your phone or via your email. I'm going to choose email because I don't have a phone number linked. Then you need to type in the email you have linked to your Snapchat. So just type in the email you've linked, really obvious, just like this. And then you're going to click on submit. Now you need to check your inbox of your email, so let's just do that right now. Go to Gmail and we're going to refresh this a few times. We can see we got an email from Snapchat asking if you want to reset your password, and yes we do. So we're going to click on it and you can either open it with Google Chrome, but this all doesn't really matter. Just open it in your browser. Now click on accept all, it doesn't really matter this. And now you can choose your new password. Make sure you choose a good password that you can actually remember. So I'm going to choose a random password right here because I will be deleting this account afterwards. But make sure you choose a good password with at least 8 letters. So this is my password right here. And then I'm going to click on save. And now it's asking you if I want to save to this website, just click on not now. And it's going to load right here and we can see password changed. So now our password has been changed over on Snapchat. Now all you need to do is go back to your Snapchat and log back in with, not sign up, but log in with your username of course and your new password because you just changed it. So just type in this and click on login. And now you're back into your Snapchat account. And that's how you can change your password over on Snapchat. If you learned something from this video, I would highly appreciate it if you could like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I hope I will see you in my next YouTube tutorial video.